Hello, so today I'm going to show you how I make flaxseed gel. I use 3 tablespoons of flax seeds because the more seeds you use, the thicker your gel consistency will be. Then I take 2 cups of distilled spring water and I put that into the pan to boil. Now that's how much it takes to basically fill my Eco Styler gel container. So once the water is starting to boil, you want to then begin to stir the seeds around to prevent them from sticking to the pan. So as I'm stirring, I'm just making sure that they don't stick, and you see that as the water gets hotter, the the bubbles will start to come and things will start to bubble up. That just means that it's boiling rapidly. You don't have to boil your water no more than 10 minutes. I say 3 to 5 minutes at the most, but it's to your discretion on how you would like to do it. I just know the longer you boil, the more room you have for burning your seeds, and that's not what you want to do because you will also bring on a smell that's not needed. So as you can see here, the consistency of the water is changing. So at this time, you're going to just stir it some more as you see fit. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a strainer and strain the water and the seeds because I feel like using a strainer is better than using a stocking cap or a cheesecloth. It just, takes out the squeezing process and the messiness that comes with that. So now I'm going to just turn the heat off completely to get ready to strain the product into the jar. So now I'm just straining the gel. And a lot of people like to, some people, they keep their flax seeds. I don't keep mine. It's up to you if you want to keep yours. Once you buy flax seeds, you get a lot in the bag. I just keep my seeds in mason jars to keep them fresh. So you can keep the seeds if you like, or you can discard them. So I just now set the seeds to the side, and what I'm going to do is take some different oils to put into my mixture. This part you do not have to do. It's up to you if you'd like to. So what I'm taking is vegetable glycerin, a mixture of different oils, and peppermint essential oil. Here you can see me starting to add a few drops of peppermint oil to my gel, and then I'll take vegetable glycerin and do the same thing, putting that in there as well. And you can look up the different things that each one of these oils do and for your hair and for your scalp to see why I'm putting those in mine. So in my mixture of oils, I have things like Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, almond oil, and regular castor oil in that mixture. So I just stir that all around into my gel. Once that's done, this is what the gel is looking like. So I'm going to just close the lid and put it in the refrigerator for an hour. Once that's done, I do take it and put it into a mason jar. And this is the consistency. This is what it's looking like. It is thicker, and it's like the consistency of, I don't know what I can compare it to. I guess you could say like snot, if you will. You just see the thickness, and that's the comparison of the flax seeds into gel. So how I preserve my gel is I pour it into ice trays. Pouring it into ice trays and freezing it is helped me a whole lot, because normally you would just, if you don't actually buy an actual real preservative, it will go bad and it will go rancid. So I freeze mine in the freezer, and this is what it looks like once frozen. And I keep mine in mason jars and just use them as needed. I thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, be blessed.